In this video, I will show you how sales of goods and providing services impacts the financial forecast of your business plan. Sales of goods. Entering the details of each item includes 1. The item's description. You can overwrite the name here. 2. The item's cost, which is the total price that you will pay for each unit. 3. The item's sale price, which is the price that you are planning to get. 4. The number of units you are planning to sell per year. To see the running total of units and the gross margin, I will activate the item first. The Active button includes or excludes the item from the financial reports. This is useful when you perform break-even analysis or you are planning to introduce new products or discontinue an existing line. With regards to the number of units you are planning to sell per year, there are two ways to do this. I can enter each month separately with the multiplier, or just use the multiplier alone. The radio buttons will allow you to quickly increase the numbers 10 or 100 times, and the counter will allow you to make custom changes. The units per annum and gross margin reflect your changes automatically. I will mention here that the gross margin takes into account not only the cost of the item, but also the cost of sales. I will say more about the cost of sales later on. Services. If you are planning to provide services, you'll have to enter the details in the Human Resources section. You can group employees with the same details into teams. So, if you had 2 employees that cost you $20 per hour each, you pay them for 8 hours for each working day. The billable hourly rate is $40, and on average they charge 6 hours per day each. You would enter the 2 employees as, say, Team A. Unlike with goods, where you have the Active button, you can deactivate a team by simply entering 0 in the Employees column. As shown in the Initial Assumptions video tutorial, the starting date is reflected here. The alignment includes the true number of working days for each month. You can adjust the numbers down if you are planning to allocate holidays, or up if you offer services on the weekends. The gross profit will automatically show the results. The details of both the goods you sell and the services you provide will be visible in the following areas of your financials. They will show separately in the income statement in the revenue section and together in the direct costs section. The cost of goods sold include the price which you paid for the goods and the amounts you paid to your employees who charge billable hours. The cost of sales will reflect such things as discounts or merchant deductions if you accept credit card payments. You can make any adjustments to cost of sales here. The last 2 can also be viewed as a percentage of sales on the pie graph. In the account ledger, you can see goods sales, labor sales, cost of goods sold, and cost of sales. The costs and prices will have an impact not only on the bottom line, but also on all other areas like break even, cash flow, and so on. That is all for now. Thanks for watching.